boat. You may decorate it. Please deliver these letters to Santa. No problem. Have a safe trip. I must deliver before dark.
Help!
Don't worry, I'll save you all.
Help!
Thank you.
Help!
Thank you. Hey.
Thank you. Help!
Hey.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Please accept this.
I must deliver before dark. I must deliver before dark. Nothing can stop us.
Kiki, could you help me with something?
What's wrong, Hippo?
My boat broke down. Could you send this apple to Stompers?
You can count on me.
Sail safe.
I must deliver before dark. Let's continue our journey.
Your boat chased away all the fish.
How about I help you catch some fish?
Thank you.
Fisherman, this is for you. Here are your fish.
Wow, I love the fish you caught. Please accept this. Bye. Have a safe trip.
We are almost there. Let's go. Nothing can stop us. Rudolph, what's wrong? Do you need help? I dropped my stuff. Could you fish them out for me? You can count on me. Ha 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 ha! get your stuff. Thank you for recovering my belongings. Please accept this. Hi, Stompers. This apple is from Hippo.
Thank you for delivering the apple. Here is your reward. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Nothing can stop us. I must deliver before dark. The storm is coming. Watch out. You're so good at it. Here is your reward. I must deliver before dark. We are almost there. Help me? Let's go. What's wrong, Alan? I'm lost. Could you give me a lift? No problem. Come on board. We are almost there. Come on. I'm home. Let's continue our journey. Thank you for the ride. You're welcome. Please accept this. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Hi, Kiki.
Hi, Santa. These letters are for you.
Ho, ho, ho! Thank you for delivering all the letters.
You're welcome.
Please accept this. I'm going to deliver all the toys.